Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out of back.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl AshleySavoi, and if you are new, welcome to the channel. And if you are a savage OG ride or die subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and rocking with your girl on today's video. So today, as you can see by the title, we're gonna be doing something little slight work. I'm gonna be doing a twist out today on my natural hair, and I know it's been so long. I have like been abandoning you guys on the natural hair videos, and I am so sorry. I do apologize, and I can explain. I typically don't really do much to my hair, especially right now. I'm just trying to retain length, so I've just been protective styling with my frontal and just putting my hair back in ponytail so that I don't mess with it. But I know that I've been neglecting you guys, and I've missed doing my natural hair videos, and I do need to like try different things. So I told myself, girl, go ahead, make you a natural hair video, because they miss you and they support you and they really want to see it. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video today. I think that the end result came out pretty nice. So if you want to see how I achieved this cute, fluffy, and soft twist out, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting with my hair. It's kind of damp. It was dry. But I just put a little bit of water on it, just a little bit, just so that it's damp. It'll be easier to coil up at the ends and stuff. I just didn't want it to be completely dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off the top portion of my hair and just secure it to the ponytail holder. And then we're gonna start working on these sections. It's pretty dry at the root. It's like barely damp for real, but I just did not want to do it. Do this twist out on soaking wet hair because it's gonna take forever to dry, and if I do it on damp or semi-dry hair, then it will dry within the day. Whatever I'm not working on at the moment, I'm going to also secure with a ponytail holder. So this is the section I'm going to start off with. It's like a medium size, like small to medium size section. Like I said, it's kind of dry. So what I'm gonna first do is I want to make sure my hair is moisturized, and you probably could do this step all over your hair at one time, but I'm just gonna do it one at a time. So I'm taking my CANTU Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. This is like the best leave-in conditioner. I just love how creamy it is. CANTU does have another leave-in conditioner, but it's not argan oil, and it's not as creamy. So I like this one a lot. I'm just gonna apply it to my hair, starting at the roots at first, and then I'm gonna take a little bit more and apply it to the ends. And then I'm going to take my dimming brush and run that through the hair just to detangle and distribute. I'm going to go in with the CANTU Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream, and this has been a staple product for my natural hair since I went natural like 3 years ago. Just really nice. It moisturizes the hair and helps the curls really pop. So I'm applying this on top of the leave-in. So I'm gonna take this Shea Moisture 100% castor oil, and I'm just gonna do like one little pump in my hands, just like a little bit of oil, and I'm just gonna seal in all that moisture. Make sure I really get that on the ends, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting. So try to get the two strands as even as you can. Sometimes you don't, but it's not like the biggest deal at the end of the world if you don't. And then I'm just going to start twisting. So I'm twisting each strand while I'm twisting the twist. This is gonna help it be a little bit tighter so that it stretches a little bit more. So like twisting as I twist the strand around, I'm also twisting the individual twist. So if that makes sense. Damn, we're blowing my shit up. And then just taking the ends and twirling them, and that's gonna secure it. And see how stretched it is. So doing this on not so wet hair and making sure that you twist each strand while you're twisting around each strand, if that makes sense, is gonna help it be a little bit more stretched. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit just so that I can show you guys the detail as far as the twist goes on this next one. You can see it looks super dry. It's like damp in the ends, and the back is not as damp as it is in the front. But like I said, I'm gonna take the Argan Oil leave-in conditioner by CANTU and just start at the root, work that down, and then go back in again and apply on the ends. And I'm going to take my Denman brush and distribute and detangle, or detangle and distribute. And then I'm gonna add the curling cream. And then the oil to seal the moisture. And then go ahead and start twisting. So, what I was saying before is I'm twisting each strand as I'm twisting the hair around. So I'll take this one in this hand and like kind of twist it a little bit and then go under, if that makes sense. So twisting, twisting, and then I'm just continuing down. So you can kind of like twist in your finger too and then go down. Okay, so you're kind of like twisting and pushing it around the other strand, twisting and pushing it around. But I don't do it like that. I just twist and twist and twist. And once you get to the end, just finger coil it and secure the twist. Now since it's more dry, it doesn't like twist, isn't coil and like pop and secure as easy. But yeah, so you can tell that the twists are more elongated. They look super juicy because they're super moisturized. So I'm hoping that this twist out comes out bomb as fuck. I'm just gonna speed up the rest of the process and yeah, not talk too much, and then come back and show you guys what it looks like all completed.
Hell crazy. Let me show you how to keep the back from losing that thing over there, homie.
So my hair doesn't dye, but here are all the twists. I do have like some chunky ones up front, which I'm contemplating like separating and making it into two, but I kind of don't really care. So they're like different sizes all over my head, but I'm so happy to be done. But they look super shiny, and I think it's because I added the oil during the process. I know a lot of times I'll just do like the curling cream and then I'll add oil when I'm taking the twist down, but they look super nice and juicy. And then I probably won't have to add oil when I'm actually taking them down. I did want to mention some of them I put like probably way too much product in because they're more weighed down and stiff. So So there are a couple that I probably put a little bit too much, but I'm just gonna let these sit for a while. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then hopefully when I finish my makeup they're done, but if not, I'll probably just get my blow dryer and like run cool air over it just to dry a little bit more, just because it already is, I did it on almost dry hair, so I don't feel like I need to put any heat on it. But if I do apply heat, it might be like low heat, just so that the product absorbs into my hair, because you guys know I do have low porosity hair, so my hair does absorb moisture very slowly. So I might, if I do add heat, it'll be low heat and it won't be like super direct. So I'm gonna let these sit and set, and I'm gonna go do my makeup. And if you want to see the makeup that you'll see later on in this video, there'll be a video up soon, I promise, because I'm gonna film the look. So yeah, I'll see y'all once I'm ready to take these juicy twists down. Hey guys, so makeup's all done. I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist down. Now since I did add oil to the twist, I didn't want to add more oil when taking them down. They feel pretty moisturized and nice and oiled up. I don't want my face to break out when my hair is down, so it absorbed the oil that I wanted it to absorb, so I'm good with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking them down. I did want to let you guys know that while I was doing my makeup, I did like pull the twists back into a ponytail to kind of stretch them, and yeah, it's pretty much all that I did to stretch them a little bit more, but they pretty much stayed the same length, I feel like, from when I first twisted them. They shrunk up a little bit. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking them down, and what I want to first start by doing is unraveling the bottom like that, and then just untwisting like this. I'm just unraveling it. I'm like just untwisting it, so it's completely untwisted. I'm not gonna separate yet. I'm just gonna untwist everything first. So I just put my finger down. Usually it separates itself, and then I'm just gonna twirl it in my finger to define the curl further. Ooh, okay. So I'm thinking today I'm only gonna like separate it like maybe 3 to 4 times per little section, just because I want the curls to be really defined. I don't want to separate too much to where it looks frizzy. So I'm going to separate each about 3 or 4 times. So I've unraveled and untwisted every twist. Since it is stretched, some are a little loose. Like some of these ends are kind of straggled because they were like pulled back and stretched so much. So not feeling that, but it's all good with like within the day. Since it's so humid here where I live, it'll curl up. This is what it looks like, just only separate. I haven't like fluffed it out or anything, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna use this wide tooth comb right here. I'm just gonna go, I don't think I'm gonna go near the top. The top seems pretty voluminous to me. I just wanna go in the bottom and create a little bit more volume. So I'm just gonna grab the hair by the bottom and go at the root and just lightly fluff it out. And just grab here, right here, and stretch it a little bit. Now my hair personally is very fine, so I don't like to over fluff my hair because you can see right through it and it just looks a mess. It looks like I'm trying to create volume with little to no hair, so I don't like to over fluff or just over fluff. So I'm just gonna take the bottom again and just to create a little bit more volume, and then I'm gonna do it in the back as well because it's kind of flat in the back. So I'm just gonna lift it up and then just go up. This to me is pretty good. I just wish this was more curled up. I want to low-key just add some product to it, a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and kind of just twist it and see what happens. Hopefully it twists back up on its own. A little bit it did, okay. That'll work. And the twist out is a little bit frizzy, but I don't mind it. I kind of like a little bit of frizz. If I would have added more oil to my hands, it might not have been as frizzy, but I don't mind the frizz. I feel like it adds volume, so this is how it's looking. I do want to go back and add some edge control to my edges so they can lay down really nice, but I'll do that off camera. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this twist out, and I will try to stretch this twist out for a whole week. Hopefully I'm able to stretch it for a whole week. Here in this area it is super humid, it rains a lot, especially right now during hurricane season, so we're gonna see how long we can make this last. If all else fails, we will put it in a pineapple, because that's usually what I do. If my hair is acting a fool, I'll just put it in a pineapple. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it was helpful, please make sure that you smash that like button. Comment down below if you have any other requests for me, because I know it's been so long since I did my natural hair videos for you guys, so I do want to hear some suggestions from you guys so that I can put up some good content that you actually want to see. Also make sure that you subscribe right down here. Once you subscribe, click that bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Become part of the Savage gang, okay? So that we know that you're fam and that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.